thing is the sample. Now the vaginal wash, the blood had to be preserved at 4 degrees centigrade. These three doctors purposely did not preserve it at 4 degrees centigrade. Now that sample might be contaminated. It has to be preserved at 4 degrees centigrade.
Well, if the CBI,
Therefore, I said that
doctors
this is
are-
something very serious. I'll tell my lord, your lordships, in case of a rape and murder, the first 5 hours are crucial. Well, the first 5 hours is the period where you have to cordon off the area. You cannot have an ingress and outgress. Whoever wants to come and go, they take pictures, photographs, evidence is destroyed. And thereafter, after 5 days, if we enter the scene,
That's why
we have our own challenges.
We asked, the first question which we asked was, has the CCTV footage between 4:30 in the afternoon onwards been handed over to
yes,
the
it has
CBI?
been.
They say it has been.
Well, we've got
No,
the
no,
document of
27
handing over.
CBI says that they have it. Let them look into the.
27 minutes only, not.
No, the entire, we've just handed over document.
There is a little bit of a confusion on this, Mr. Solicitor. What CBI has been handed over, which you have also said, is about 23 or 27 minutes
20.
of 27 minutes pertaining to the actual search operation which takes place and the inquest which thereafter has taken place. We wanted to know whether you are in possession of the complete sequence
I'll-
of the CCTV between the time that the accused leaves the hall
Well, I've got
and
the document.
events
But
which
my lord,
take
the
place.
CCTV
Handover
will
document.
only show the accused entering, etc. Here.
No,
the
no, no, no,
crucial-
no, no.
Who else, Mr.
Crucial
Solicitor, who else entered after the accused deadline?
Just handed over,
Dealt with the-
over memorandum.
Look into these aspects.
Well,
We will.
Tell us on the next date of listing, because these are obviously, now that some leads have emerged, we'd like you to further investigate and come back to us.
I just want to mention,
But only one.
can I have a word? Can I have a word?
My lord, may I just speak on behalf of
Only-
the student?
Well,
Only a minute, ma'am. I'll just.
Yes,
in the
sure.
date.
this would go on till. Well, I just want to,
Lord will kindly-
May I just say
Well,
two
may I-
words?
Whether the X-ray plate, because one of the body was found, the legs were found at a 90-degree angle. Now, 90-degree angle cannot take place without the hips being broken. I will kindly see in the post-mortem report whether the X-ray plates have been handed over to the CBI.
Lord,
Whether the X-ray was actually done or whether the X-ray plates were handed over.
we've got the photographs with us.
Mr. Solicitor, just one question from your officer. When the body is dispatched from after the inquest for the purposes of the post-mortem, you have that letter by which the body is dispatched for post-mortem.
Yes, my lord, it is there, form number
Array, wait a minute.
5363.
One second, how will you
Let
have
me
it?
hand-
We
No, no,
are
I'm not saying, I'm saying the form number.
obviously, we're saying it with a certain purpose. We want to see that.
It will be a long.
I'll check up, my lord, and.
You know, that
Yeah, it is there. Because it was shown before the High Court, before the High Court I argued.
Can you just, one second,
I don't have it, it was before the High Court, it was argued.
just 1 second, let's not get into these bickerings. We have flagged a document. We want to see that document. Do you have the document here?
Yes, I'll just, my lord, check.
Ms. Astha, do you have the document?
we're just trying to see. But in the meantime, I just
All the
mentioned,
dead body, Challan.
So only deflect. We are on one particular issue. Let's seize that issue and then
Yes.
see if there is a satisfactory answer.
Yes.
Otherwise, CBI will look into our query by the next day.
There is also an antecedent aspect to what the lordship, yes.
Till they find out, my lord, your lordships have kept it on 17th. 17th. Can it be on 18th? 17th would be miscellaneous day. That's the only.
We'll get a little more time.
Yes, but, no, miscellaneous day has its own problems, your lordship knows.
but let them
18th.
investigate it.
Mr. Sibal, do you have it?
Well, I only have this that is handed over, dead body Challan that's handed over. That's all I have. To the family. Yes, to the family.
But not the family, it was from the
Come on now.
person who does the UD.
Let my lord, the Chief Justice, see
Not
the
not
document.
This is the blank one. It would be like this. This is blank one.
I'm sorry, Mullah. No, who can read
This
this?
is the blank one. It would be like this.
This is not what we are asking for.
No, I'm just saying that's all we have at the moment.
Disposal order accompanying corpses sent for cremation. This is when the body is given to the parents for cremation.
I cannot find the document immediately.
We are just trying
This is
it.
the only thing we have at the moment. That's all I can say, Mullah.
Because when the body is dispatched from the post-mortem after the inquest, really the doctors who act on that and do the post-mortem would first look at what is given to them.
We just look at it.
It would be like this. No,
You just have the format.
The blank form.
All right, let's see the blank format. This is a challan for use when a dead body is sent for examination.
Yes.
Where is that filled out challan?
But it's there, it's part of the case diary because it was shown in the High Court.
You wouldn't know it. How, let the CBI say. We asked
was there.
we asked the state of West Bengal whether they have it here in the court. Let them give it to us.
It should be part of the case diary. That's all we
But
can.
that is not
What's
given
the
to us.
form by which you handed
That
over?
is not given to us.
Not be given to you.
That's what, my man.
That's very important.
It's not in the file which is given to us.
Miss Sharma, where is a challan when the dead body was sent for?
Figure out, Mullah, where
for
it
the
is. We're trying to
post-mortem.
figure out. Huh? See, let's not state something unless we are absolutely sure what it is.
Month later and they're still figuring it out.
It's of very crucial importance because this form also has a column which says remarks noting what clothes and articles were sent in with the body, which means that together with the body, other things which have been then seized,
Must have been.
and other material is also sent to the doctors who conduct the post-mortem. We want to see that.
It was definitely a part of the CD when I argued the matter before the panel.
They say they have not seen this and the file handed over to the CBI does not contain this document. But it appears from the argument of my learned friend that it exists because according to him, it was shown to the High Court.
No.
Without this, my lord, the post-mortem doctor cannot accept the body.
Post-mortem doctor will not carry out the PMR, the post-mortem, and he will not accept the body because first and foremost, he has to have a request in the challan that please, this body is being sent for the purpose of
On the
examining.
challan, he gives a seal saying accept it.
Mullah, your lordships will give us time. We'll try and place everything before the court.
There, Mr. Sibal.
It's not, Mullah. We've checked it up. It's not there.
And CBI says that they also don't have the document under which the body was sent.
To us, that file does not contain
What
this
I'm
document.
told, what I'm told is that the CJM came, Mullah, and he filled it up himself and there's no separate form. That's what seems to have happened.
Was the post-mortem carried out without
It's impossible. It's impossible.
without a formal dispatch of a request to the post-mortem doctors to carry out the
Not
post-mortem?
just an administrative form, it's a
Mullah,
statutory
I
form.
don't have that information. I can only
Just have this post-mortem report in hand. You
in
must
hand,
be having
post-mortem
it, right?
report. Yes, we have it, Mullah.
Now see the third column.
Yes.
See the third column on the top of it.
Third column.
Constable by whom brought.
Yeah.
So this constable is supposed to carry this.
This challan.
Okay.
He is supposed to carry this,
Yes.
and if there are any relatives accompanying, the names of those.
Sure. Yes.
Now, it has been struck out.
Blank. That's blank.
So there is no reference of this challan for use when a dead body is sent for examination. You need to explain.
Yes, certainly, Mullah.
So tomorrow, if this document is missing,
Yeah.
then something is happening.
Yeah, sure, Mullah. Sure. So we'll find out, Mullah, as to why this is brought to that effect. Mullah, we'll file the affidavit to that effect, Mullah, so that we can't be making statements, Mullah, in this fashion.
Solicitor, please do, if you need that, and that is not being forwarded to you, CBI should make a requisition for that.
No, certainly, my lord, we will have to end that fact being absent in the
Also,
postmortem
this is in
report.
light of the fact that learned counsel says that when the matter was argued before the Calcutta High Court, that was part of the CD.
It was one of the video, it was live, streamed live. The lordships can call for the
Part of the CD.
particular link and see it for your lordship says that it was shown. In fact,
But in absence of mention in the postmortem report, the possibility of it having been created subsequently cannot be ruled.
That's subject matter of investigation.
Investigation, I'll not say anything more.
Investigate. What has been created subsequently?
All right.
Nothing has been created.
All right. Should we
File an affidavit,
we'll
Mullah.
move on to next
Yes.
Tuesday after this is
Yes,
over?
Mullah.
My lord, Wednesday, my lord, Tuesday is a miscellaneous.
All right, Wednesday. Tuesday is miscellaneous.
Lord.
Keep it on Wednesday.
Lord, may I,
Wednesday, no. Wednesday.
One
18th.
second.
Well, Wednesday is 18th, that PMLA matter starts on Wednesday, Mullah. Please don't have it on Wednesday.
All right, we'll keep it on Tuesday after the miscellaneous board is over.
Yes.
So may I just say
Lord,
one
may I
thing?
say-
One thing.
Mullahs can
No,
be.
but just one thing. So we are 1 month down now since this death took place. We do not have any clarity about the estimated time of death. I thought the post-mortem report, which normally says, may not be exact, approximate, but we still don't. What is the West Bengal's case as to when this death took place? I would imagine they would say it's before 5 o'clock.
Clarity
sometime.
on that. There is some clarity on that.
Yes. In the CBI.
There is clarity on two aspects.
Yes.
One, when the body was discovered.
Yes.
There is some clarity on when the body was discovered. And there is some clarity about the movement which takes place in or around the room where she was staying for the night, where she came in late after
But then the person,
the stomach contents also reveal that,
she had a meal.
yes, that's right.
Now, so there should be one more aspect then. The person who actually first discovered the body or learnt of it should actually be the first informant. And the time of his knowledge should be the time of the first information report. So the delay starts from there.
There's a delay of almost 14 hours in recording the first information report. It's very clear that there's a delay of about 14 hours. At least 14 hours.
14 hours, at least, yes.
My lords, if I may, with regard to the other investigation that is happening, with regard to the financial irregularities.
That CBI is investigating, but right now that is,
Exactly, the CBI
obviously we have started that investigation, but we are on far more pressing issues at this point of time.
My lords, the trouble with that, the difficulty with that, and I am for those 25,000 doctors, which include, in fact, whistleblowers who have placed and are assisting the CBI and have placed documents with the CBI. Now, some of us are still in RG Kar Medical College, some of us are in the health department, and there are threats, frankly, my lords. So what we are seeking is that, my lords, just seek a status report for next time, because the two are inextricably connected, my lords, as the High Court has found, in fact, that the two are connected.
The nature of the link between the two is itself the subject matter of the investigation which is going on. Let's not say much more than that.